Is this recipe the best way to use mini M&Ms? Guess who's back? Back again. Kitty's back. Tell a friend.
Ba 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 ba. Leo cooks things. I cook things.
Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make mini M&M cookies because I'm a sugar dragon that needs his sugar treasure.
Sugar dragon.
Today I'm doing it all for the cookie. Yeah. The cookie. Yeah. So you can take that nookie and stick it up your... Let's get to it. First up. Sorry. We're going to start with 190 grams of all-purpose flour. How much for 190 grams? Yeah, I'll take that. It's always good to have a flour dealer on hand. 1, 2, and 190 grams. Boop, boop, boop. Not the best packaging though. Did you hear about the bodybuilder that started a bakery? It was called Flour Power. It's actually a pretty good idea.
Flour power.
Enough. Focus on things. 190 grams of all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Boop, boop, boop. You can't spell baking powder without B.A. King. This guy gets it. Moving on. We're also going to do half a teaspoon of baking soda. Pew! Ooh, that exploded. That's okay. And as always, you can't spell baking soda without B.A. King. Well, at least we got one. We're a bunch of big sillies. Did you hear about the cookie that was mean to everyone? He had a real chip on his shoulder. The only thing that sucks more than your jokes is your cooking. You're not going to get a rise out of me. We're also going to add in a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, aka my ex-wife.
Stop lying to them. No one would ever marry you.
Whisk it together. He knows what he did.
Now for the wet ingredients.
What kind of sugar is never going to win a Super Bowl? The Cleveland Brown sugar. That joke is a home run. 70 grams of brown sugar. And we're also going to use some granulated sugar. Just make sure it's not granulated.
What do you call someone that loves Mondays? Retired.
It's pretty good.
Are you my son?
Oh, fuck. 100 grams of sugar.
Yay.
115 grams of unsalted butter. Butter's good. Okay, here we go. Yeah, are you clean? We're missing the whisker attachment. I found the whisker attachment.
Are you my whisker attachment? Yeah.
Extend yourself. Now whisk it until it's fluffy. How's everyone doing? Pure vanilla. Pure, that smells good. Do 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Kobe. Oh, shit. That worked out. And now whisk it. Now we're gonna do a low speed. Now we're gonna slowly incorporate this without making too much of a mess. Kevin baking. Oh, stop complaining. I was not using the right attachment. I know that now. Yes, I know that now. Baking is hard.
Yeah.
Now you've got cookie dough. Tiny M&Ms. It's a cup of M&Ms. Don't eat them all. Fold those little buggers in. Excitement. Set your oven to 350. In terms of size, I mean, whatever. I don't really know. Just do your best. They might not be perfect, but neither am I. Okay, stop it. Now get your wife to clean up everything else. I'm alone. Cookies. Ah. They're a bit bigger than expected.
Which is never a problem.
And now we have to wait for them to cool. Check it out. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. Ooh, that's hot. Hot for the face. Okay, well, I'll see you guys in a bit, I guess. And this is what you're left with. Cookies.
I did it all for the cookie.
Mini M&M cookies. Cut to the sexy stuff. And now I eat you. I love cookies. I like this a lot. I like them crunchy, but if you want them chewy, just take them out of the oven sooner. So many cookies. No. Eat dinner first. No, you eat dinner first. Bye, friends. That's a good look for you, homie.